The Kolkata police has now alleged that the protests that have been held in Kolkata over the Abhaya rape and murder case is all a conspiracy by students. They've released an audio tape saying that's a provocative audio of a student leader. Now, in the audio, student calls essentially for vandalism near the Chief Minister's residence. Now, in the audio, you can hear them discussing a protest outside Mamta's house. The Kolkata cops maintain that this is a student leader who's speaking about vandalism, about violence. In the conversation, the audio that's been released right now by the Kolkata police, you can hear, in fact, in that conversation, talk about putting pressure on Chief Minister Mamta and making her resign. Let's play out for you that clip.
যেতে হবে না, একটা কাজ করো, সবাই মিলে কালীঘাট চলো, কালীঘাটে গিয়ে ভাঙচুর করি, মমতা ব্যানার্জি এমনি সাইড হয়ে যাবে, ও নিজেই পদত্যাগ করে নেবে। মনেতে এত ভয়, যখন এতই ভয়, যখন কালীঘাট পুলিশ দিয়ে তো কতক্ষণ আটকে রাখবে? এক ঘন্টা 2 ঘন্টা, আর কত পুলিশ আসবে? হার্ডলি 20 থেকে 30টা। আর আমাদের ছেলে কত আছে? অনেক ছেলে আছে, চাপ নেই, চলে এসো, ঘুরে এসো, ওখান থেকে ঘুরে কালীঘাট ঢোকো, আমরাও ঢুকছি। যেতে হবে না, একটা কাজ করো, সবাই মিলে কালীঘাট চলো, কালীঘাটে গিয়ে ভাঙচুর করি, মমতা ব্যানার্জি এমনি সাইড হয়ে যাবে, ও নিজেই পদত্যাগ করে নেবে। মনেতে এত ভয়, যখন এতই ভয়, যখন কালীঘাট পুলিশ দিয়ে তো কতক্ষণ আটকে রাখবে? এক ঘন্টা 2 ঘন্টা, আর কত পুলিশ আসবে? হার্ডলি 20 থেকে 30টা। আর আমাদের ছেলে কত আছে? অনেক ছেলে আছে, চাপ নেই, চলে এসো, ঘুরে এসো, ওখান থেকে ঘুরে কালীঘাট ঢোকো, আমরাও ঢুকছি।
Rajesh Saha is joining us with more details on this. Rajesh, this is an audio clip released by the Kolkata police to state that there was a conspiracy to spread violence, vandalism on the streets of Kolkata. And the Kolkata police say that these are student leaders. Is that really the case? Were these student leaders who were seeking for violence?
Well, these are not student leaders. Rather, Kolkata police has arrested 5 persons, including 2 women, among the protesters. And Kolkata police is claiming that they have arrested these 5 people after getting sources information regarding a WhatsApp group styled as "We Want Justice," which was created on 16th August. And one of the group member posted a voice clip in that group, asking rest of the members of that group to assemble near Kalighat, where the CM residence in Kolkata. And in that particular voice recording, he asked other member of that group to gather in front of CM residence in Kolkata, and with an intention to attack towards the CM residence, which is located at Kalighat. And he's asking other people to come from Navan Nabiyan to Kalighat to attack the CM residence so that she resign from her post. And after getting that audio clip and other relevant information about that WhatsApp group, Kolkata police gathered information regarding this WhatsApp group.
Rajesh, just stay with me. Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress is joining me on this broadcast. Riju Datta, we're putting out the audio tape that the Kolkata police has released, which clearly shows that there was an attempt to spread violence, to spread vandalism in Kolkata. But are we then suggesting that even the students' protest is motivated, or is the TNC saying that these were political protests where they attempted to spread violence?
I want to inform your channel that from 9th of August, when this horrific crime took place in Calcutta, there are protests on a daily basis. Even today, there are 5 processions demanding justice and demanding capital punishment for the culprit on the roads of Calcutta. Everything is absolutely peaceful, and these protests and processions are given security cover by none other than the Kolkata police themselves. But the problem is that in their desperate lust, blood, or let me call it bloodlust for power, BJP has unleashed their lumpens and their hooligans under the garb of students. They are spreading WhatsApp messages. This is just one audio leak. I have got 20 audio leaks which I've given to the Kolkata police, where they are actually saying that I have got contacts, you want to buy guns.
So who are these people? Riju Datta, who are these people? Are they students? Are they student leaders? Are they activists?
No. They are not students. They are not student leaders. These are all BJP-backed gundas who are just trying to use this situation, this sensitive situation, to create an anarchy-like situation in Bengal. There are WhatsApp messages where people projecting themselves as students are saying that let's all, in the dark of the night, let's go to the CM residence and burn our house. Can that be a student? I do not believe that.
No, I 100% agree with you that it's condemnable if anyone's calling for violence, if anyone's calling for vandalism. But student leaders like Prabir, Sayan Lahiri, are you saying they are not student groups? Are you saying that they're motivated people?
Prabir, Sayan Lahiri, these fellows who were arrested by Calcutta police, they did a press conference in the same Bangladesh model. And during the press conference, in front of, I believe your channel was also there, they openly agreed that we belong from ABVP, the so-called students wing of BJP, and we are RSS. When they were asked which college, which course are you studying in, they had no answer. See, I can also tomorrow say I am a student. But that doesn't make any sense. So everybody is using this opportunity, especially BJP. There are other political parties who are also sitting on protest and procession, but there is no lathi charge, no firing, nothing. But BJP is trying, because they cannot electorally win Bengal, they are trying to look for dead bodies, they are trying to create anarchy, somehow to grab power. But the Bengal administration, the Bengal police, and Trinamool Congress as the ruling party will not allow that. We will not allow anybody to burn Bengal.
All right, Riju Datta, thank you very much for joining us here in India Today and sharing your party's view on these tapes that are now going viral. Let me play that out for you once again. This is an audio tape released by the Kolkata police where they're saying that there are clear attempts to spread violence on the streets of Bengal. These are WhatsApp groups, essentially, where these conversations are happening. And in the conversation, you can hear all of these members talking about how to storm the Chief Minister's residence, how to spread violence. And the TMC now, as you just heard, is saying that this is a result of the BJP breaching what was a known violent protest. Let's play out that tape for you.
যেতে হবে না, একটা কাজ করো, সবাই মিলে কালীঘাট চলো, কালীঘাটে গিয়ে ভাঙচুর করি, মমতা ব্যানার্জি এমনি সাইড হয়ে যাবে, ও নিজেই পদত্যাগ করে নেবে। মনে তো এত ভয়, যখন এতই ভয়, যখন কালীঘাট পুলিশ দিয়ে তো কতক্ষণ আটকে রাখবে? এক ঘন্টা 2 ঘন্টা, আর কত পুলিশ আসবে? হার্ডলি 20 থেকে 30টা। আর আমাদের ছেলে কত আছে? অনেক ছেলে আছে, চাপ নেই, চলে এসো, ঘুরে এসো ওখান থেকে, ঘুরে কালীঘাট ঢোকো, আমরাও ঢুকছি। যেতে হবে না, একটা কাজ করো, সবাই মিলে কালীঘাট চলো, কালীঘাটে গিয়ে ভাঙচুর করি, মমতা ব্যানার্জি এমনি সাইড হয়ে যাবে, ও নিজেই পদত্যাগ করে নেবে। মনে তো এত ভয়, যখন এতই ভয়, যখন কালীঘাট পুলিশ দিয়ে তো কতক্ষণ আটকে রাখবে? এক ঘন্টা 2 ঘন্টা, আর কত পুলিশ আসবে? হার্ডলি 20 থেকে 30টা। আর আমাদের ছেলে কত আছে? অনেক ছেলে আছে, চাপ নেই, চলে এসো, ঘুরে এসো ওখান থেকে, ঘুরে কালীঘাট ঢোকো, আমরাও ঢুকছি।